audience dizzy? If you give these ideas, everyone is pulling, watching your content, but no one is commenting, no one is liking. Don't worry, today I will share 5 creative ideas that will engage your audience. The hardest time of my life was when put a hook at the beginning of the video that people can relate to. Do you think it's important to learn public speaking? Poll between videos, people love to give feedback. Rahul had made a great comment in my previous video. Take the name of your audience, pitch their ideas. There is a mistake in the video. Find it and write in the comments. Audience Sagittarius? How I got 1,000 subscribers in just 5 days. Tell the story tomorrow. Save the audience, save the content, and practice these ideas today. Tell me in the comments, which tip would you like to try first?